Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use Odoo CRM in 2025. So if you want to manage the leads, track your sales and organize your entire pipeline, Odoo CRM makes it super simple for you. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on odoo.com. Then you need to log in into your account with the help of your email address. Now this is going to be your Odoo dashboard. Over here on the home page itself, you will find the option of CRM. So when you click on the option of CRM, this is going to be the section where you can basically start using Odoo's CRM options. So over here, let's just understand the options that are available inside your Odoo CRM. So first of all, we have the new option. So when you click on the option of new, you need to provide your company name, then their contact details, the opportunity name, the contact email address, then contact form, and you can add this particular lead over here. Now, if you want to generate the lead, you can click on the option of generate lead. After that, you can provide the information about the lead that you want to generate, like the country, then the status, then the industries in which they are, then the filter, and click on the option of generate leads. So once the lead is generated, it will come over here. So if the lead is new, it will come here in the new section. If it is qualified, you can just drag and drop it here in the qualified section. Then if it is in the proposition section, you can just drag and drop it here in the proposition section. And similarly is with the one section. On the top, you will also have the option of sales reporting and configuration. So when you click on the option of sales, you can take a look at the pipelines that you have created. So we also have the option of my activities. So as the name suggests, this particular section is going to show you the analytics of all of the leads that you have added over here in the form of graphs or in the form of pie chart. So you can take a look at the analytics with the help of it. So this way you can start using Odoo CRM in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.